Hello friends, today we are going to make Goan Fish Curry. First of all, we need a whole coconut and this is the shell of the coconut. We will keep it aside, and here I have this coconut water. This we will use later in our curry. Now the first thing we have to do is take the coconut and a peeler, and we are going to peel off its skin like this. Then since the coconut skin is very hard, so we have to peel it off, otherwise you will get chunks of coconut skin which will be too hard to chew. Now after peeling the skin, our coconut will look like this. Now I am going to dice the coconut into cubes. You can roughly chop it as we have to grind it later. Now carefully cut it into cubes. And it is done. Now I am taking a grinding jar and putting my coconut cubes in it. Along with it, we will add few things like one onion cut into cubes, some ginger cubes, an inch of ginger, some garlic cloves, and a cinnamon stick, small in size. These are dried red chillies without seeds. I took off their seeds. And cumin powder. Oh, sorry, not powder, it's cumin seeds, coriander seeds, some black peppers, and few cloves, 3 to 4. This is tamarind pulp. Now we are going to make it a paste. First we will dry grind it and then slowly we'll add water to it. We have to make a smooth paste like this. Now this is our fish and I am going to marinate it with salt and turmeric. Yeah, this is the basic marination. Whatever curry you are making, this marination is must, as turmeric is used to disinfect the fish. We'll carefully marinate it well. And keep it aside. After marination, now I'm taking a big kadahi and this is our paste. We have to directly heat up the paste and cook it. Keep stirring and cook. Bring it to boil. Since everything is raw in this curry, so we have to cook it for a little while. Bring it to boil and keep stirring. Now, after covering it for a few minutes, it will look like this. Now it's time to add some salt. Add salt as per your taste because we have marinated the fish with salt also. Now I am adding some sliced onion and few green chillies just to finish it up. Adding some tamarind water, and this is our coconut water. Now we'll stir and cook it for few minutes. And then we will add our fish. Now be careful after adding the fish as it is a delicate meat, so don't stir it too much. In 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, the fish will get cooked. See, no need to stir, just shake it like this so that our fish will not get broken. Now our curry is ready and it's time to plate it. Garnish it with coriander sprig. Please do make and enjoy the fish Goan curry.